And I promise to lead with integrity and dignity and serve the community to the best of my ability.
He's taking David's prize under the leadership of Salman.
On my personal behalf, not on the behalf of the management, on my personal behalf.
Your efforts in doing this, and we look forward to many more collaborative projects like this. Thank you.
I would also like to thank the Rotaract Club of DGMC for being the lead host club.
But it also makes us extremely happy to see that we are bringing a smile or a sense of fulfillment.
Excellence in action, magic through service. This is the theme that we would like to go ahead with.